Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're back in the garage doing garage stuff. And finally, it's been a long time. I know it's been a long time. Today we're doing something extremely simple. I just need to add some more lights to that corner of the garage behind me. And I'm going to be using Barina lights from Amazon. Of course, you guessed it, right? They're inexpensive, they're very bright, they have different options. Check them out, very inexpensive. And I love them. I've had them. I put them up on the ceiling here of the garage, but I never did put them in this corner. And this corner is always kind of freaky, scary, dark, and gloomy. So I decided that, well, I finally freed up a space where I can put them, plug it in, which is great. They have options for plugging in. You can hardwire it, plug it into an outlet. So those are your options. Simple to do. I'll show you what they look like. These are 6500. Super bright, like super daylight bright. These are 2200 lumen. They're fairly bright, extremely light, and they come with a little extra cable to extend them. And of course, you can extend them up to each other with this white little extender, and then it comes with the clips, which I have, in my experience, are not the easiest to deal with. They can be kind of flimsy. They have been known to come loose, so make sure you secure them in there pretty well. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if you can see this from here, but I'm going to put them on the bottom of this rack here, going along that way, and I'll show you how the other ones look. So these are the ones that are on my ceiling. And I just saw on the website or on Amazon that they have different ones for, they have shop type ones that are a lot brighter with the LEDs exposed. I might check those out because it is not that bright in here with the colors that I chose. So anyway, now that we know what we're doing, let's go ahead and let's get to it. Okay, well that's it for this little project. I told you it wouldn't be very long, but it is super simple, super easy. The lights are easy to install. All you need is a place to hang them. They're extremely light, a place to plug them in, or if you wish you can hardwire them. The ceiling ones are hardwired. This one here is in an outlet. Barina is the brand. Available on Amazon. I don't get anything from them. These aren't sent to me. I pay for everything here with my own money. So go ahead and check them out if you're interested. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up and share. It really helps me out more than you know. I'm still trying to figure this whole thing out, and together we can do it. So let's do it together. Anyway, also one last thing. Uh, I know some people wanted to see the garage, and eventually I'm going to do a garage tour to show you exactly how I transformed this cookie cutter garage originally into a place that most people like to hang out. At least my wife likes to hang out more than I thought she would. So anyway, enough said. Bye.